I'm going to do now a pudding. It's called a gateau. This gateau is just cashew nut gateau. So for that I need sponge cake. I have been doing sponge cake, but still I want to give you the sponge cake to be done in the proper way also. So we will see. With 3 eggs I am going to do the sponge cake. To make the sponge cake I have taken 3 egg whites. Put it into a bowl. I have got 3 egg yolks and I have got 90 grams sugar, 90 grams flour, 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, lime juice and a little salt and vanilla essence. Beat egg whites first very stiff. Now I will start adding the sugar. 90 grams but little by little. Once that is done, the yolks, one at a time I am using. I have put the yolks and kept now. It has got tasted now. So now we will beat that first. Now what I am going to do is, I will first thing that I am going to do here is the flour. 90 grams flour I have taken. 3/4 teaspoon baking powder. Pinch of salt. Sift it. I beat it once more. Once more I have to beat for a minute. So before that, what I will do is mix it first. Before I do that, I will add a little vanilla essence. I'm going to beat it. Before I beat, I'll put vanilla essence. About a teaspoon of vanilla essence. We have to use lime also. About half a teaspoon of lime. Beat it together because of the sponge cake. Vanilla and lime juice we have to add. Along with that, a tablespoon of warm water. Now we have already beaten, and I hope you will know I have put warm water also. So now what I am going to do is, I have taken a 9/12 tray, sponge tray, Swiss roll tray, and you butter it. First I put a little butter to paste the oil paper. Then we put more butter on the oil paper plus the sides. Right. Now we will put the mixture. Sponge cake mixture I am putting into this. 3 eggs. When I use 3 eggs, we normally talk about how the eggs are being used. For 1 egg, 30 grams sugar, 30 grams flour, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. That's the quantity. Please write it down and keep. Now I am going to bake this. So flat tray 9/12. So please remember you have to bake now. Baking time is going to be 20 minutes, 180 centigrades, 360 Fahrenheit. Bake for 20 minutes and take it. So we will bake this cake for 20 minutes. I have already set so we can bake for 20 minutes and take it. So sponge cake, not only sponge cake, any cake when you bake 180 centigrades, 360 Fahrenheit. But this is flat tray, because of that 20 minutes. If it's a bigger tray, higher tray and more quantity, or small tray if you are using, the quantities and the timing will be different. So this 20 minutes only. Bake and take it. We will see how it's going to be. The sponge cake is ready. Allow it to cool for a while. because when it's hot, you can't do the icing, you can't do anything with that. So cool at least for half an hour or 1 hour, and then you start working on it. I'm doing a gateau. So this cake I'm going to cut into 3, 9 by 12 cake I'm going to cut into 3. See, I'll put 1 cake on the tray. I need for this a little jam. Strawberry melon flavor jam. That's why it has a reddish color. Strawberry jam will be a little on the brownish side, like here melon flavor. We talk about cashew nuts also, so we need a lot of cashew nuts. Again I spread the jam and the cashew nuts. I have slightly almost minced the cashew nuts. Then we put the next one. Now when we use all this, you can see how it comes. So for 3 layers, 3 jam is added for all. On this also. Sides. Now I have taken whipping cream. I didn't use any other ingredients, whipping cream. I'm just using the whipping cream on top. You know, when you use the whipping cream, you either buy the whipping cream or you make the whipping cream. And another time, I will show you. If I can use the turntable, it will be better. So can I have the turntable, please? Only whipping cream I am using. Please remember, only whipping cream. Nothing else. Whip the cream and use it. Clean it up nicely. Cashew nuts. In green a little and put it on top. It looks better now. Cherries. Glazed cherries we use a little so that it will be nice, colorful, and not only that, it looks like now what? Like jam. We'll put the whole thing. Now this gateau is ready. What are we going to do? Keep it in the fridge. Not in the freezer, keep it in the normal fridge till you take it. If I do it in the morning, I can serve for the night dinner time. If I do it even in the morning, lunchtime, after lunch also I can take. 3-4 hours is more than enough. Like other than that, tea time also we can serve. Guests are coming. So what will I do? I will serve it for my guests with the just cashew nut gateau and a cup of tea or coffee. Try whatever you could do. And this is something which I am giving you with the tips also, so that it will be useful for you. Please try it out and see how it comes. And I want the comments also, so that you will know how and what we can do. Next week, I will see you with another episode. Till then, bye from me now.